Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV 4K. As you all well know, last week I unboxed my Christmas present, and that was the Amazon Fire TV Lite. But my dad liked it so much that he decided to buy another one, and I saw a pretty good deal in Amazon Spain in which the 4K model was down to only $40 instead of the 60 to 65 that it usually costs. Also, my dad is going to use it in a better and bigger TV, so the extra performance and storage is nice for my use case scenario. With no more delays, I'm going to open the Amazon package. Now I'm going to start unboxing the package. And it's the Amazon TV 4K model. It's a little bit bigger. It has a much more powerful processor, and it supports HDR. It also comes with more storage and better specifications. Well, as I have been saying, this is the Fire TV Stick 4K edition. It has a much more powerful processor. It's a quad-core but a better one, and it supports 4K and HDR or high dynamic range. This is pretty good actually. It also includes Alexa, and the controller comes with more options than the Lite one. With no more delays, I'm going to start the unboxing. It's a little bit tricky to open because the tape is a little bit hard. I'm going to show the contents, and first of all we have the quick start guide, we have the warranty and information card, we have the micro USB cable to USB-A. This is like the other one. The HDMI to HDMI adapter, identical to the other one. Then we have the charger, which is 5 watts also, but it's from a better quality. Yeah. It is a little bit better build quality. The power adapter. Then we have the remote, which is quite different from the Lite model. We can compare it. It has way more buttons, and it's a little bit heavier and larger too. And the Fire TV 4K, which is quite a bit bigger and heavier compared to the traditional model. Yeah, and yeah, the batteries like with the Lite model, and that's it. First of all, that I haven't told you, you need to put the batteries in the remote. You need to put them like this. You see? I'm going to compare the remotes. This is the Fire TV 4K and this is the Fire TV Lite. As you can see, the Fire TV 4K has a turn on, turn off button. It has the volume up and volume down button. It also has the mute button, and it also has a larger joystick to control the interface better. It is also made of better material. It has a more hefty touch to it compared to the Lite model, which is more lightweight. Now, if we compare the Fire TV 4K versus the Fire TV Lite, you can see that there is a huge difference in size and in width. As you can see, it's much smaller because the 4K model is bigger. Why is the 4K bigger and the Lite model smaller? Because the smaller has a lower potency processor that requires less heat dissipation and doesn't require as much space as the more powerful processor in the 4K model. Also, the 4K model has more advanced functions, so it has more circuit boards inside, so it kinda makes sense. Well, now I'm going to choose the applications. I'm going to choose the Spanish TV networks, YouTube. I'm going to choose this one as well for my dad. I'm going to choose none of those, and I'm going to choose this one and... no, that one no. Yeah, these ones. Well, I'm doing a video test and the image quality is amazing. I only have a 1080p screen and my dad only has a 1440p screen, so we're not going to be able to take advantage of the 4K processor. However, it does have HDR, which seems to make the colors very vibrant. The HDR technology makes the colors much more vibrant, natural, and more appeasing to the eye. So I do recommend this model if you're a hardcore content enthusiast. However, my dad likes to watch a lot of TV programs and nature programs, so the HDR functionality will be very helpful to him. But for me, that I only watch YouTube and some YouTube videos in not so high resolution, well, I will not notice the difference as much. However, this model is nicer, I have to admit. And well, that is everything that I wanted to say about this model. If you leave a lot of likes, I will make a comparison in benchmarks from one device to another, and I will tell you the difference in power, all the differences that there are between these two models. It's up to you guys. If you would like to see that, please comment down below, give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.